Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural pre-workout. We'll dive into the fantastic benefits of choosing natural options over synthetic ones. You'll discover how these ingredients can significantly reduce your exposure to artificial additives, providing a cleaner energy boost. Expect enhanced focus and sustained energy without the common jitters or sudden crashes often associated with commercial products. Plus, you can tailor every ingredient to perfectly match your unique dietary needs and fitness goals, making your pre-workout truly yours. Now, let's explore the essential natural ingredients that form the backbone of an effective pre-workout. For a clean energy boost, consider sources like green tea extract or coffee, providing around 150 milligrams of caffeine. Beetroot powder is excellent for improving blood flow and endurance, while 5 grams of creatine monohydrate is crucial for boosting strength and power output. Finally, 6 to 8 grams of L-citrulline malate will aid in nitric oxide production, further enhancing your performance during intense workouts. Crafting your own natural pre-workout is simpler than you might think. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Begin by combining approximately 150 milligrams of your chosen caffeine source, like green tea extract, in a shaker. Next, add 5 grams of creatine monohydrate for that strength boost. Then, mix in 6 to 8 grams of L-citrulline malate to support blood flow. Finally, incorporate 5 grams of beetroot powder for improved circulation. Stir it all together with water, and you're ready to go. To maximize the benefits, consume your homemade pre-workout approximately 20 to 30 minutes before your exercise session. Remember, individual tolerance varies, so feel free to adjust the ingredient amounts based on your personal response and specific fitness goals. Staying well hydrated throughout your workout is also key for optimal performance and recovery. Always consider consulting a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before introducing any new supplements into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.